In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 e-commerce platforms so you can begin your journey toward financial freedom. Number 1. Shopify. Shopify is the best platform for selling, especially if you plan to dropship. It's easy to set up and most beginners can get the hang of it in a few minutes. Number 2. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is the best overall e-commerce platform. Its robust product search engine makes it ideal for larger retail brands. Number 3. Wix. Wix delivers amazing value for small e-commerce businesses, offering multi-channel integration with dropshipping and print-on-demand capabilities. Number 4. Shopwired. Shopwired is becoming one of the most popular e-commerce platforms. It serves customers across the globe and ranks high in terms of features and ease of use. Number 5. Xero. Xero is an affordably priced platform targeted at small businesses. In addition to having a website builder, they offer a variety of AI tools to help business owners. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.